The world of generative AI and ChatGPT just keeps growing and getting stronger. And today we're going to take a look at Microsoft and OpenAI's next killer. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Joe here from Massey Media. Hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to take a look at Perplexity. It uses some of Microsoft Bing and Copilot's functionality, but it also integrates some of OpenAI's ChatGPT features as well, and there's so much more behind the scenes. So let's take a look. I opened up a loseit premium account at the beginning of the year. I have some questions. I want to see if there's certain combinations or certain types of foods maybe that I need more information on or that I just don't know about. Perplexity, so we'll launch the application. You have to sign in order to use the advanced Copilot features. Let's say I wanted to ask 42-year-old white male, 200 pounds, pre-diabetic, how much sugar should I be consuming per day to stay healthy? You give us this paragraph, but it's asking its own follow-up questions before it even provides the first answer, right? So it'll go through, 5 to 8 sources per question and provide an answer for you. It'll give you the sources where it found that information from. Now let's say I'm just looking specifically for beverages, right? So let me ask it, give me a list of sugar-free, cholesterol-free, and fat-free beverages. It asks you, do you want a hot beverage, a cold beverage, or alcoholic beverage, driven responses. And you can see here, it's offering 8 drinks. It breaks them down for you. It tells you what, the options are. But once you see the share button light up in the top right-hand corner, you know that the response is completed. And so let's take a step back. During the sign-up process, it tells you about Claude 2.1, and I hadn't heard of that before. So let's ask it, what is Claude 2.1? Again, it's always considering 8 sources. It kind of breaks everything down into 5 simple steps. You can review those sources, and you can start to preview the answer as it's still generating. Let's get off of, what is type questions. Let's get off of anything health or medical related. One of my wife's friends had an issue where her color printer was only printing in black and white from her iPhone, right? So she would send something to print from the iPhone and it would come out in black and white. So I'm going to ask Perplexity, my color printer only prints in black and white from my iPhone. Why is that? And immediately, what is the make and model of your printer? There has never been any AI assistant, any voice assistant, or any Google or DuckDuckGo or Bing search that has ever asked that question. So we're going to say HP DeskJet 2600. Now it's searching the web, considering 18 results this time, right? Because this is a completely different type of question. So we're still waiting for the response to be completed, but we're up to 7 steps. You see how underneath each paragraph, you have these numbered bubbles. So for this particular paragraph, we have 1, 3, 4, 6, and 10. Those represent links from the sources that it's pulling this information into and summarizing. So you can literally just tap on any one of those little numbered bubbles, and it'll take you directly to the link for whatever that source is relevant to that particular paragraph baked inside of the overall, full response. And like we said, it keeps a library of all of your past questions, and you can even put them into collections, right? Like there may be a collection for health and wellness, there may be a collection for tech questions, that kind of a thing. But what I also thought was a very standout element to this application that no one else has is there's a Discover tab. And within the Discover tab, curate a list for you of all relevant questions that other people in the community have been asking, and you can look at them here. It provides photographs, it provides how many views. You can look at someone else's question that it already has a pre-filled answer for. You don't need to wait for it to generate the entire response. So, this one here is OpenAI misinformation strategy. You don't even have to add a question mark, right? Tesla's Optimus does laundry, no question mark, and it knows that it's a question. And it goes on to tell you that the robot has recently demonstrated the ability to fold laundry. I thought that the Discovery tab was just a really nice touch. Of course, you want to be able to ask it sophisticated questions with it and you giving follow-up questions back and forth and more of a conversation. It's nice to store all of your responses. Putting them in collections is a nice little touch, but the the discovery tab and being able to see, as you ask it questions, being able to see other questions that are similar, I thought was a really nice touch. I haven't seen any other application like this that allows you to do all of that, just in one free, easy, intuitive interface. And I can't recommend this application enough. I just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough, and I hope that you can get some use out of this as well. Thank you.